Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
I will explain where unsaved Snapchat photos can sometimes be recovered. First, understand that unsaved snaps are not guaranteed to remain on your device. They often live briefly in app cache folders or temporary system storage. You should act quickly because caches overwrite automatically after a few days. I will show methods using device storage, cloud backups, and Snapchat cache inspection. I will also explain limitations, privacy concerns, and when recovery is unlikely. On Android, use a file manager to open /android/data/com. Snapchat, Android/cache/. Look in the received image snaps and received video snaps folders for JPG or MP4 files. Copy any discovered files to another folder immediately to prevent overwriting. On iPhone, search for iCloud backups or local encrypted backups on your computer. Use backup extraction tools to inspect app data if a backup exists. Remember that if cache and backups are empty, consider third-party forensic recovery tools as a final option. These tools can scan unallocated space for JPEG or MP4 signatures and may locate deleted content. They often require root, jailbreak, or professional services and carry risk to your device warranty. Always obtain consent before attempting recovery of other people's photos. If recovery is impossible, ask the sender to resend the snap or request a screenshot with permission instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.